In this video, let me show you how to fix in case one of your Skullcandy earbuds, the left one or the right one, is louder than the other one, or maybe the other one is quieter than the other one. So I have this problem with these Dime Evo, but it's the same thing if you have another model. In my case, the left one was the one that was quieter. So let me take it. Okay, this is the left one. First step, remove the ear tip. And then what we need to do is to remove the cover that is covering the hole right over here. It's made out of a material that is like a synthetic cloth. I don't know how to describe it. It has holes in it so that the sound can pass through. So to remove it, what we'll need is something, depending what you have around your house. What I suggest is a toothpick, although it's slightly harder, or something sharp, like an X-Acto knife. You're gonna take it and gently, okay, don't poke it, because we have to put it back after. We're gonna go on the side here. We're gonna try to unglue it, and you see it's working. I have to do it slowly. And once you unglue at least half of it, you're going to pull towards yourself. There's a chance that there is some earwax stuck there. So let me redo it here. Be patient. Okay, so I put the blade under it now that I can do that, and I will pull towards myself gently. Okay, great. As you see, it's quite dirty here. At this point, you can take it out using your fingers. And the next step is, first of all, to clean this small thing over here. And I suggest you use some rubbing alcohol with a Q-tip. Okay, I'll clean it in a second. And obviously also clean everything that is around here. And if you see any debris, any earwax inside of the headphone, go ahead and remove it. Again, maybe use a tool here to fish it out. So let me do this quickly. This thing is very sticky, as you notice. So I'm gonna put it on the side here. And what I'm showing you right now, it's something that I found out on Reddit. It's not my idea. Many people tried it and it actually fixed their issue. As you see, this is some earwax here. At the end, put back this protector here. I mean, you could also not put it back. It's just that your earwax will go inside of the earbud and you'll have to clean it often. Okay, this should do a good job. And then put back the ear tip and you should definitely hear right away a difference. Okay, make sure also the ear tip is not dirty, so clean it very well and put it back. Now, if this one was very clogged up with your earwax or skin debris, stuff of this nature, I suggest you also clean the other one, although it doesn't have any issues at the moment, because believe it or not, it will happen the same way. It will get quieter. And I suggest you do it as well. So yeah, this is about it. Now, both are supposed to work at the same volume, and you know what to do the next time you're having the issue. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next video.